Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. In this video, we are going to be making my Halloween costume today and then tomorrow, but in the same video. Like, you're gonna see it all right now. But tomorrow for me, we're then going to get into the costume, take an Instagram picture, all that good stuff. You know, Halloween this year isn't about going out. It's about getting a picture, apparently. Apparently that's what I'm choosing to do this year. Usually I feel like I wouldn't get this caught up over getting an Instagram picture, but you know what? This is just like, this is knocking down many boxes at once, okay? If you guys watched my Etsy wig haul that I did a couple weeks ago, then you may have seen this huge wig. And at first when I saw it, you know, I didn't really think too much of it. I thought it was amazing, obviously, because it's huge, it's bold, it's beautiful, it's long, it's puffy. But I didn't recognize the resemblance between this and Miss Christina Aguilera's wig in Lady Marmalade. And I didn't yet notice until I got the DM from Jenna and also many of you guys. And you opened my eyes. I can't unsee it. We have to do it. And we're doing it today. So I thought, what a perfect mix of doing the first video where I get ready fully around these extra wigs. I want to do it for all the video, or for all the wigs, the Marie Antoinette wig, the Orange Club Kid wig. I want to do it for all of them, but we're going to start here. And because it is Halloween literally tomorrow for you guys, because it's going up on Friday, really confusing scheduling going on here, I just thought it would be the perfect time. And also, you know what? This is something that I don't personally see, but sometimes people tell me I look like Christina Aguilera. Like, I will get that comment once in a while. First of all, I don't see it. If you don't see it, no problem. But you know what? Some people sometimes see it, and that's good enough for me. Like, I will take that to the bank. Thank you very much. Thank you. But yeah, so this is the picture that I'm going to be trying to remake today. I'm just going to make the top half, and then tomorrow we're gonna do our makeup up. You guys, I'm using a different lens. I bought a camera lens. Finally. Why did it take me so long? I don't know. Hopefully you guys can see a difference in this video. Make sure to let me know down below if there's something wrong with it, because I am not very tech savvy, but I am trying to be. So yeah. Anyways, without further ado, let's get making this costume. Okay, first I'm going to show you guys the supplies I got. Now think of this picture, but think of it waist up, okay? Because it's Instagram, we're not going out, so waist up. First of all, if you haven't seen the wig, here it is. Oh my goodness, it's so big. It might be bigger than Christina's, just a little bit. This is my first time actually taking a good look at the makeup, and oh my goodness, that is going to be so hard, but that is future Mia's problem, not me. Oh my god. Ugh. There's like a little headpiece in the front. So I went ahead and got this, which I feel like if I build that into the wig, that kind of looks like what she was wearing. A red corset. I've never worn a corset in my life, but I feel like this one was pretty good because not only is it red, but it also has the straps that we need. And then of course, some red gloves. But the one thing this is really missing is the sparkles. So that's what I'm gonna have to do today, is I'm gonna have to glue some of this on. So we'll go into the craft room and get started with all of this. Comment down below if you think it's gonna end well. You think it's gonna? I don't know. I'm not sure yet. You know what I'm just realizing? I think this might be the first time I'm filming since my flamingo wallpaper. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know. Anyways, about this. So I'm looking off of the picture right now, and I'm thinking about it. You know, I'm using my brain. And I feel like the main thing that we have to add, like, as much as I would love to rip all of these off, I'm like a little bit worried that that would make it look bad underneath. Like, actually, you know what? I might just try it. Let's see, what does this do? Ooh, okay, maybe it's fine. I'm cutting into the corset. Whoops. Okay, I need to be careful. So I have all of this long line of crystals, and it looks like on the top there's just like all of these hanging gems. Might also have to make like a necklace because I ordered one, but it's not coming in time. This is gonna take a while. Okay, let me try piece by piece. We've got this one cut. Let's glue it onto the top. A little bit of hot glue. You know, it's a costume. We don't need to sew it. Plus, my sewing machine is broken because my mom used it. So, yeah, that's kind of out of the question. What do we think? Does that look good? Does that look like Christina? Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, perfect. Let me just do that for the rest of the top. Okay, now that I have the top done, I'm gonna look back on a picture. I feel like this is kind of what it looks like. Like, obviously it's not gonna be perfect. I'm making it. Top done. Set aside. Now I have to find a way to turn this into a necklace. Alright, okay. I made a necklace. I guess we'll see if it looks good on. I'm worried if I put it on now, it will break, so that's a bad sign. Let's flip to tomorrow and let's do the makeup. Alright, you guys, it is the next day. I have all of the things that I think I will possibly need. Lots of purple eyeshadow, lots of lip gloss, lots of lip liners, and we are going to attempt being the most important word right now, to recreate this makeup look. And I'm hoping it turns out, but I'm a little worried. I did my foundation already. Oh my gosh, wait. No! Oh my gosh, I am such an idiot. You guys, I completely forgot. I meant to cover my eyebrows, but now I did all my foundation. I'm such a dummy. My day is ruined. Okay, you know what? We'll just have to figure it out. It's okay. Okay, I was initially planning on covering my eyebrows, which was probably gonna be disastrous anyway, so I'm just gonna have to work something out. I feel like I could make them thinner. Like if I just keep brushing them into each other, I think I can make it thinner. Oh yeah, they're looking smaller actually. Oh my goodness, I feel like I just made them so small. When you realize you can have like many different looks. Whoa. Okay, I'm just sticking this. I feel like this is me like from a year and a half ago when my eyebrows were just growing out. Memories. This should be okay. I'm gonna go in with a darker color and just make it look more like what Christina's eyebrows looked like. Oh my goodness, they're so thin. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a mix of this brown color and this black color. Some of you guys have noticed that I did recently like cut the tail off of my eyebrow. You are right, I did, and honestly I'm loving it. Let's just go over the darkest part of the eyebrow and just really make it predominant. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, these are so thin. Like, I'm sorry, maybe I just had the lowest expectations ever for what I could do with that. But like this compared to what my eyebrows were when we started, these are so thin. Okay, but now we're gonna get started on the eyes because like I said, I already did the face. I'm just looking because oh my goodness, this could be so difficult for me. I'm gonna start with the biggest gradient and work my way in. Is that a good idea? Probably not. I'm gonna start off with this purple right here. I'm just going to lightly dust that all around my eye. As you can see, it goes out to literally like here. I'm gonna start on the inside just to be safe. Literally after this, I'm gonna like take Chip to the dog park, so that will be so nice. Okay, I feel like I've done all I can with that purple. I think we have to go up a shade. Purple Frost. So we'll go in there and we're just going to continue the gradient. Is anybody watching this like it's a tutorial, or am I just like wasting breath and time trying to explain what I'm doing? I'm basically just doing gradient purples. This is more just on the eye now. We're working on the eye now. Usually I would be like concerned about fallout, but I think the fallout is actually helping the look, which I never thought I would say that, but yeah, I think it is. Almost black, but it's almost got like a little bit of a purpley tinge to it, and this is going to be only in like the corner and close to the lash line. I'm gonna do the must-have little shine under the brow bone. I feel like I did something a little bit crazy here. I'm gonna do the tail line. Basically, hers just looks like a lot better, which shouldn't be surprising, but it can be disappointing. Okay, this is what I have to work with. I'm going to quickly do the other off camera, do mascara, eyelashes, all that, and we will be back. Okay, you guys, I think it's coming together. I was just gluing these on, and then I realized, oh my goodness, I'm gluing these on and I'm not filming. So I turned on the camera. These are actually from just all those like ribbons of crystal that I was using to make the outfit. I'm just cutting off singular ones and putting them on. I think it's looking good. So I'm just sticking on all of these little jewels with eyelash glue, basically dropping them randomly. I feel like this is turning out good though. Like, I'm impressed. I didn't think it would look like this. Okay, there we go. Got the sparkles on. Now this is where my face begins to get really itchy, so I just need to not itch. Remember that I have jewels all over my face, and let's get into the lips. So this actually works perfectly because I actually have a zit right here. So that is exactly the spot where there's like a little beauty mark. So let me just go right on top of it. And I'm just going to outline my lips. I don't think I'm gonna overline them too much because they don't look super overlined, but we will see. Ooh, that's pink. Ooh. Okay, this is gonna need a little bit of work. So I have this dark red lipstick from Miss Fame. It might be a little bit too red, but I'm gonna put it around the outsides. Okay, I feel like that's kind of what it was. Now I'm just going to put a gloss on top. This is a very glossy gloss, so... Okay, but here is the finished makeup look. Now I have to put on the wig, the corset, the gloves, all of that, and I will be right back. Hopefully it looks good. I actually am so impressed with the makeup. I'm hopeful for the wig and the outfit. Hopefully the hot glue lasted. I'm gonna go change into it, and that will be the finished look. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is insane. Okay, I need to put on my gloves, but I wanted to look at the original picture because I'm like, is this wig not like way bigger? I was kind of thinking initially, I was like, I hope this wig is big enough. And now I'm like, it's huge. Let me look at this picture. Makeup, check. Shirt, check. Necklace, check. I don't have earrings, but who cares because you can't see it through this puffy wig. What do you guys think? Is there any question as to what I'm dressing up as? I hope not. So yeah, guys, here is the finished look, styling this crazy extra Etsy wig and also my Halloween costume. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!